you will get the envelope. Alright? Ay dalawang confusion.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and beauty queen Ate Gail, and my generous and good Ate Queen. Once again, Ate Gail.
Because I promise to stand by you always.
Kaskas na ng kaskas! Puputi ka rin!
Hi! My name is Malika Vest. Sabi nila, hawig ka daw yung artista na from Australia. Her name is Anne Patuan! At naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na, if iniwan ka ng guy, never say die, because tomorrow is another guy! Check!
Hindi ko narinig yung...
Alam na alam mo lahat kung gaano kayo kahalagain, kung gaano kayo kalawang.
Happy birthday, Sandy!